Alright, so I use Arctic Silver 5. It is a conductive thermal paste. So you just need a little bit of it. Try not to get too much on where it could short out any of the components. So all you need is a little bead in the center. Come on. Alright, and now I will align my holes back up and put it back together. Perfect. Just get it to hand tight, and then I'll just give it a tiny little twist after, just to keep that pressure on the CPU, the GPU. Alright, now I just press a little bit in the center, and we're good to go. RX 580 armor complete. Thanks for watching.